So what you see here is my farmland. It's a beautiful 1 acre plot, very close to about 40 kilometers from Bangalore. And this plot I have purchased mostly for my hobby, where I do all organic farming and gardening. And here I have all sorts of fruits and vegetables which are planted through this 1 acre land. It's a rectangular plot. And to irrigate this plot, I have actually taken help from Autogardner. And I'll show you the system how they have done. And I have divided this in two phases. So 1/2 acre I have divided into 3 zones. So I'll show you how the system is actually done. So let me actually take you to the back of my small house and show you how the drip system is done. So what you see here is are the 3 valves which actually come from the inlet. So I have done the borewell automation and also the drip irrigation system. So these are 3 valves which actually divide the plot into 3 zones, and the water actually goes through this. So it connects through these pipes. It goes all the way, and then actually it is connected through the drippers, through the 16 drip lines to all over the plot. Okay. And Autogardner has been wonderful. Girish has been especially very helpful. He understood the requirement and what kind of needs do I have in the plot. So he actually worked through with me and gave me a solution. So I have 3 controllers controlling each valve, and so he understood everything. He understood where the borewell is, how the borewell automation needs to be done, and he guided me through the entire plan. And I'm very thankful for Girish. Now I have purchased a new 1/2 acre land here, and I'm actually working again with Autogardner and Girish to do the automation for that entire land, where I'll mostly be planting the fruit trees on that particular site. Okay, so yeah, so I actually strongly refer Autogardner and Girish for any kind of drip irrigation needs or anything in general related to agriculture and the water management. Thank you.